I am chopping the onions finely for soup. I am chopping the onions finely for soup. She is slicing the tomato for salad. She is slicing the tomato for salad. He is dicing the carrots into small cubes. He is dicing the carrots into small cubes. I am peeling the potatoes before boiling them. I am peeling the potatoes before boiling them. We are boiling water for the pasta. We are boiling water for the pasta. I am frying the eggs in a pan. I am frying the eggs in a pan. She is grilling the chicken on the barbecue. She is grilling the chicken on the barbecue. He is baking a chocolate cake for dessert. He is baking a chocolate cake for dessert. They are roasting the turkey in the oven. They are roasting the turkey in the oven. I am mixing the ingredients in a large bowl. I am mixing the ingredients in a large bowl. I am whisking the eggs and sugar together. I am whisking the eggs and sugar together. She is stirring the soup to avoid burning. She is stirring the soup to avoid burning. She is blending the fruits to make a smoothie. She is blending the fruits to make a smoothie. I am measuring the flour before adding it. I am measuring the flour before adding it. I am kneading the dough for bread. I am kneading the dough for bread. She is spreading butter on the toast. She is spreading butter on the toast. He is seasoning the meat with the salt and pepper. He is seasoning the meat with the salt and pepper. I am sprinkling cheese on the pizza. I am sprinkling cheese on the pizza. He is pouring the milk into the glass. He is pouring the milk into the glass. I am grating the cheese for the pasta. I am grating the cheese for the pasta. I am drizzling honey over the pancakes. I am drizzling honey over the pancakes. She is sautéing onions and garlic in a pan. She is sautéing onions and garlic in a pan. He is toasting the bread until golden brown. He is toasting the bread until golden brown. He is rolling the dough into a thin sheet. He is rolling the dough into a thin sheet. He is coating the chicken in breadcrumbs. He is coating the chicken in breadcrumbs. I am straining the noodles after cooking. I am straining the noodles after cooking. He is filling the cupcakes with cream. He is filling the cupcakes with cream. I am steaming the vegetables to keep nutrients. I am steaming the vegetables to keep nutrients. They are layering the cake with frosting. They are layering the cake with frosting. She is decorating the cake with the sprinkles. She is decorating the cake with the sprinkles. He is folding the omelette in half. He is folding the omelette in half. I am arranging the salad beautifully. I am arranging the salad beautifully.